nyo, kahit ano pong edad nyo, pag napanood nyo po ang aming teleserye. Abangan nyo po, malapit na po, and siyempre, ang aming pong reunion ni Direk Cathy Colina.
Thank you, Kuya Benji. Ian.
Got to Believe, soon, kaya abangan nyo na po. Thank you.
Timina.
Got to Believe, malapit na po yan sa Primetime Vida. Abangan niyo po yan. Maraming po salamat.
Thank you sa ating mga writers. Jay, thank you. Henry, creative manager, thank you. Direct, please invite them.
Got to Believe po, naniniwala rin akong manonood kayo. Joke! Thank you po, thank you, and sorry again, date ako.
And the hottest teen stars or teen love team today, Catherine and Daniel.
Got to Believe.
Malapit na po.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you sa lahat ng press na pumunta ngayong gabi, sa ating cast. Thank you for that fun Q&A. Maraming salamat. And tayo muna po tayo, photo op lang po para sa ating mga photographers.
That's full of strangers. You've got to believe in magic, something stronger than the moon above. 'Cause it's magic when two people fall in love.